Hi, I hope you and your loved ones are all safe and sound. My name is Arindam Chatterjee, prefer to be called as Chats. I am a life skills consultant and a behavioral trainer. Welcome to my YouTube channel called Life, where life stands for living is for education. We are learning every day. So, through this channel, I share transformational true stories. Today's story is about a gentleman called Altaf. He's a banker. I was actually conducting a senior level sales program in Bangladesh, Dhaka, for a leading bank in Bangladesh. So while I was conducting the workshop, I asked the participants to share an experience in sales which was impactful. And Altaf, who incidentally was the chief of sales for this bank and has been working in this bank for over 18 years, he said, Charles, I'd like to share an experience when I started my career with this same bank about 18 years earlier. So he had joined as a relationship executive, and when he had joined, along with him there were seven other people who had joined. His branch manager gave them a target of opening minimum 30 current account and savings account. Together, the target was 30. And if they are able to achieve their target, there was a financial award as well as a certificate signed by the managing director of the bank. Naturally, Altaf was very excited. The first day, second day, third day, he tried his best, but he could not open either a current account nor a savings account. Now, the branch manager started having in the morning meetings, telling Altaf, and he was as luck would have it, he was the only person who had not yet opened his account. Rest all had done about three or four of them. So one evening, while he was having his dinner, he shared with his parents that he's the only person who has not opened his account, and branch manager is slowly getting angry with him. So his father said, "Let me open an account for you." So he opened a savings account, and next day he took that savings account form filled up by his father and gave it to his branch manager. His branch manager said, "What? You have only done one. See your colleagues; they've all touched double figures. High time you increase your score, because remember your target is 30. We are already on the 4th of the month." And Altaf was really demoralized because branch manager had raised his voice, and it was the first time it had happened to him that he got a real shouting from his branch manager. So he went to have a cup of tea outside before he started on his sales call. While he was having his cup of tea, he found a visiting card on the ground, on the floor of the tea shop. He picked up the visiting card, and the card, very nice, very nicely written card. It said "Excellent Exporters," and the name of the owner, the CEO, was mentioned. And as they say, the drowning man catches at the straw. Altaf called up the mobile number, and the person on the other end picked up the phone. And Altaf told in front of the entire class that his voice was just like Amitabh Bachchan's voice. And Altaf said, "Sir, I am Altaf. I work for this bank. I found your visiting cards on the floor. I would love to come and give it to you." And that office, Excellent Exports, was not very far from where he was sitting. So the gentleman said, "Please come over." So he took his bike, went to the Excellent Exports, and he found it's a 7-story building, and as you know, the Bangladesh is very famous for garments, so it was a garment export company. So when he showed this visiting card to the security guard, the security guard actually gave a salute and asked him to go straight to the 10th floor where the chairman's office was situated. And he went to the 7th floor and he knocked at the chairman's door. and he found the chairman sitting, young gentleman, maybe middle-aged, very well-dressed gentleman. So Altaf gave that card to him and said that, returned the card rather, said, "Sir, I found this card on the floor, so I thought I should return it to you. Very nice card, sir." So this gentleman, the chairman, was quite impressed. He said, "Thank you so much. So what do you do?" And Altaf started, crying about his targets and that he has not been able to open his account yet, except for one, which was done by his father. So the chairman said that we have around 150 people, but all of them have we have their salary account with another bank, which was a competitor's bank. But I'm very impressed with the way I really appreciate your coming over. And Altaf was treated to high class Darjeeling tea along with lovely cookies. So he said, let me see what I can do. I'll give you a call in case something comes up. And Altaf actually gave a couple of forms, some current account and savings account forms, to the chairman. So Altaf came out of the office and was quite dejected. He had thought something will happen. So Altaf actually went home. He didn't even go to the bank. So next day when he came to the bank, the branch manager said, "How did you? I tried to called your number several times. It came switched off." And Altaf, as many of us sales people have actually told in our sales lives, a lie. That, "Sir, I'm sorry, I was feeling nauseous. I was not feeling very well, so I went home and slept." And this branch manager actually now started raising his voice and saying that, "Altaf, I'm very sorry. Your performance is very below par. You're the only person who have only reached one. All of your other team members have some of them have reached 20. They're very close to achieving their targets. We are almost on the 8th of the month and you're just loitering at 1. High time you really, pull up your socks. And while this branch manager was talking to him, his phone rang, and this chairman had actually given him a call and said, "Can you come and meet me at about 5 o'clock today?" So Altaf told the branch manager, "Sir, I've got a prospect. He has called me. He said, please go, because anyway, you're way behind your target. High time you get some numbers." So Altaf went to this office again, back to Excellent Exports, and went up to the chairman's room. And this time he found another gentleman sitting with the chairman. And the chairman said, "Meet my elder brother. Last night while we were having dinner, I was speaking about you, about the way that you had come to return my visiting card, which had fallen off the floor where we were having a cup of tea. Now, my elder brother also wanted to meet you, and he looks after the finance." And yes, now he turned to his elder brother, "Sir, Bhaiya, if you can share what you wanted to share." So his elder brother, the chairman's elder brother, said, "You know what, Altaf, though we have savings account for all these 150 employees of ours, we thought we will open another account for them in your bank. So can you please get 150 savings account forms?" Altaf almost fell off his chair. How many numbers, sir?" 150 numbers. So he called up his branch manager and I told him, "Sir, I require 150 savings account forms." Branch manager possibly also fell off his chair. He said, "How many forms you require?" 150. "I'll drive down right now with the forms. You stay where you are. Stay in the office. Stay in the chairman's office." So the branch manager personally came with 150 savings account forms. And he told in front of the chairman, to Altaf, "He's one of our hard-working, very smart guy. I'm very proud of him." Of course, this was very different from what he had spoken to him in the morning. So Altaf stayed, filled up almost a week. It took him a week to fill up all the KYC, know your customer documents, from these 150 employees of these excellent exports. And this was the first time in the bank's history that new joinee could open 150 savings account forms. So he not only got a very big reward, a financial reward, a certificate, but since he got a special award from the chairman himself, he and his parents got a 3 nights and 4 days free, all expense paid trip to Malaysia. So Altaf, when he shared this, he said, "I'll never forget. No, no, I'll never forget the chairman's certificate. I still have it laminated in my house, and I always look at it, and I get motivated the same way I got motivated when I received that certificate." So, friends, you know, when you really put in hard work, when you put in genuine effort, and you don't give up, things actually work for you. So, if you like my channel, do subscribe to it, and request you to share as well. Thank you so much. Stay well, stay safe. God bless you.